I don't know how I feel. Hi guys, my name is Eleni. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. As you know, last night were the Golden Globes, and if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I didn't see them because I had to go to work last minute because I'm like the boss. I don't really watch award shows anyway. Normally it's because of the speeches. I'd like to thank God who understood that I didn't mean to shoot that guy in the face. And in the case of last night's Golden Globes, this award, my mother sometimes when I sneeze I pee. What I do always look forward to though is looking at what people are wearing. So here's a quick and dirty reaction to Golden Globes fashion. Ooh, gonna say I like it. Yeah, you just old ladied yourself, Emma. Boobs in a ball gown, flawless. Two-tone, no. Heidi. Oh, you little... Love. You wear that dress, Kate. Your hair is like slick back, but not slick back, and it's distracting me from your dress. Oh, pumpkin. I wanna like it. Sandra. Yes. No. I don't... Green sequin, pregnant lady. Old. Oh, true. Why gotta be palm trees? Cute. That's cute. Oh, no. Hey, I know, let's take every idea we've ever had, throw in a dress, and you know what? I bet Zoe Saldana will wear it. So no... boobies? Yeah. Well, honey. Why? That's a color. You know, I mean, Greek girl in a pink dress. Amazing. Got something on your thigh. Ma, Cat picked this out. Gorgeous. Ooh, Laura. Oh, so you're like serious. Lily. So there you have it, guys. So many emotions. Mixed emotions. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the Golden Globes and the Golden Globes fashion. Please like, comment, subscribe. Be good to yourself, be good to each other, and I will see you soon. Every Friday, I'm here 5 days a week, keeping you happy. Please like, comment, subscribe. Oh, Mama's coming down.